Hi, my name is Abigail Henderson, and I'm from Georgia in the United States. And I'm going to be showing you today my favorite feature of Edmodo through digital learning while we've been distance learning due to the pandemic. This is my favorite feature because it really just helps me personally stay organized and is a good place for my students to go back to look for all the resources we've been using. So I'm going to open up one of my classes here. And my favorite feature personally of my Edmodo class recently has been the folders feature, which I didn't utilize as much as when we were face to face, but now that I realize how much I enjoy using it, I will definitely use it all the time. I'm going to I have my folders organized in week by week, so it helps me remember when I completed each folder and when the students did each assignment. So as you can see, I was on my homepage on my Edmodo page and for my reading classes, and I went over to the left hand side to click on folders right here, and it has all my folders in for the most part order of dates. So I'm going to click on the week of March 30th through April 3rd because that's the one that I have the most documents in. So as you can see, I have all that we did this week in our folder for my reading class, and at the beginning of the week, I went ahead and uploaded all of these assignments, and then as I went through the week, I would just attach these assignments from the folder to my post. So as you can see, I made several videos of myself reading the book out loud to my students that we've been reading in class, and then I also had made to-do lists for each day of the week. So I messed up. So when we go back to our folders, we just click the folders button and go back to that date. My internet's a little slow today. So like I said, I have everything that we are doing this week, including some videos, some pictures that I uploaded for my students so that they could have the answers to some questions that we were working on. And if I go back to my posts, all I have to do if I were to make a post with some of these assignments is rather than having to upload them, I just upload them from my library, and all of my folders pop up right here, and they're all in one place. I don't have to go and search for things on my computer, which is very convenient. So that is probably why this is probably why folders is my favorite feature so far, is because it's all in one place and it helps me remember when my students completed these assignments, and it'll be really nice to have next year, have them all in one place, and I don't have to go searching through my desktop to find the folders that I need. Thank you so much.